Hey guys, so my Keurig machine has gone low flow on me. Basically, I pushed the button for the largest size and I'm getting about a quarter of the amount of liquid coming out of it that I expect. So I'm going to make this instructional video on how to fix this. I've had it happen before, not a big deal. And all you're going to need if you're having the same problem is a pin. All right, so as we can see here, that is not what I'm expecting when I push the large button. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to pop open the area where the Keurig's at. I already pulled the K-cup out just so I could get a better view of this and not have to waste your guys' time seeing that. Okay, so we can see the pointer there, and that's what's going to puncture the top of the K-cup, and their little hole on the side here is where the water is going to come out from. This will get clogged with grounds, so you're going to want to clear that out. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pin. I'm just going to run it up and down through there a couple times. If we flip to the other side, we can see there's a similar setup. So again, we're just going to take our pin, we're going to run it up and into there. That should resolve our problem. One way to find out. All right, now that I've got those holes for it cleared out, what I'm going to be looking to do is just run some hot water through it. I'm just going to cycle hot water through it 3 or 4 times. All right, it's the moment of truth. Full cup or empty cup. Pushing the large button. All right, guys, and there we can see we have the full 12-ounce cup that we were hoping for. All right, guys, hope this video has helped resolve the problems that you may be having with your Keurig cup if you're getting a low flow on it. If it has helped you, please leave us a like. If you had to do something different, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribing to our channel helps our channel grow, and ringing the bell will give you notifications when we post new content. Be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.